So we have MYCIN. MYCIN is basically just what? It's an old expert system for treating blood infections. So it was used to develop other expert systems. So in MYCIN we have certainty factors. So for example, we have like how much are we sure that this will happen. Let's see here, this example. We have if it is cloudy, then it will rain. So certainty factor that this will happen is 0.7. And we have this, if it is a Friday, then it is a holiday. We have certainty factor of 1. So, and here we have to know two things. We have to know MP, which is measure of belief, and MD, which is the measure of disbelief. So let's say we have, for example, H is a holiday and E is a Friday. So for example, we say the measure of belief that Friday is a holiday. Okay, so how much do we believe in H increases based on what? The evidence of E. So we have here, we have MP, which we have, for example, the maximum and all this formula. MD, the measure of disbelief, we have the minimum. So you have to know one thing, that we have certainty factor of H and E equal to the measure of belief minus the measure of disbelief. We have to know one thing, that if the measure of belief, it is, for example, a value 0.3, that means that the measure of disbelief is immediately 0, and vice versa. If the measure of disbelief, for example, 0.4, then the measure of belief immediately is a 0. So if any one of them has a value that is other than 0, then the other one is 0 immediately. So the range of the certainty factor will be between -1 and 1. So here, for example, with this example, we have what? We have that if all of these are 100% true, then we will go to this. So here we have 7.3. 7.3 means what? That we are 7.3 sure of this, which means what? We have 1 minus 0.7, 1 minus 0.7, which equals 0.3. So which means that we are 0.7 sure that this is a true, and 0.3 that we are not sure of.